this week review will be on Model, their extreme side L part wig. This is in the style Rex, and I have it in the color OM430P. I actually believe that this is a wig that came out a few years ago, so I guess I missed out on that one when it first came out. So let's see what it's looking like and can kind of compare it to how things look now with wigs. So let's cut the construction. There is no lace to cut off. There are 2 combs in the front. You have a comb and adjustable straps in the back. And this is what the part is looking like on the inside. This is if you kind of look on the outside. I will probably go in and tweeze this a little bit. Yeah, I'll put it a little bit closer. This is what it's looking like. So before I even get started and put it on my head, I can already tell that this is something that I want to tweeze like right away. But this color, hopefully it's picking up on camera, is actually nice. It has more of a yaki feel to it versus silky, which I think is nice. Got a little body in there, so that's cute too. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in and tweeze this a little bit, pluck a little bit. So I'll probably just speed through this. Okay, so I don't want that to be visible, so I guess I'll start right there. I would do the adjustable straps. And okay, alright, so I am back with my thoughts on this wig. Once again, it is Rex. It is by Model. It's the extreme side L part wig. And let me just say, this part is definitely extreme. So I love the color. Love it. I do believe, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. I have room, and I have the adjustable strap. They're right next to each other in the same little loop in the back, right in the middle. Yeah, so this is a parting space. I just went in and I did plug the part a little bit, and I put powder in it. This is what the part looks like. And I just went in with my Makeup Forever powder, because that is the closest thing that's next to me. So I don't really have any huge complaints. Granted, I know this is a deep side part. It is super deep. I just wish it was over a little bit more. The ear tabs line up right in front of my ears, so they are where they're supposed to be. I just wish the part was a little bit over, because there's these parts right here that are just kind of in the face a little bit. But this, you know, if that's your thing, cool. You know, I'm not tripping over it too much, because overall I do like it. I do like the little swoop bang action going on right there, and then how the layers come down. I think that think that's nice. And this is the side. Overall, I think that it's worth it if you're into this type of look with a side part. This is a right side part, so, and it's not too long, so I definitely think it's appropriate for work or like any type of like office or like business style setting. I think this will be nice. I may just lay this down like with a scarf or something, and maybe and hope that the hair can go that way and not fall too much in my face. But other than that, it's cute. I think it's worth the purchase. So yeah, so I appreciate you all for watching yet another review. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.